Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, today is a Galaxy lips tutorial DIY. I will be showing you viewers how I achieved this Galaxy lips. I basically saw it on Instagram and Pinterest and I was like, why not show my viewers how to create Galaxy lips using different shades of lipstick in my own way. Basically, there are so many videos on YouTube, but this is my own way, something simple, and I think it's a Galaxy inspired look. You have to use different shades of lipstick, specifically black lipstick, and all my products are from thebeautycosmetic.com. I'll leave the link in my description box down below. I first of all lined my lips with my black lip pencil from Kiko, then followed by my black matte lipstick from The Beauty Cosmetic, followed by my purple matte lipstick, hot pink matte lipstick, which is very vital, and last but not the least, a sort of violet or blue matte lipstick will do. Mix the shade together however you want your Galaxy lips to look like. And finally after that was done, I used my silver glitter to basically apply it all over the lipstick. This is supposed to look like the stars in the galaxy or the different sort of planets we have. Basically, this is my own way. I didn't have any sort of white glitters at home, so I decided to go for the silver glitter, which also I love, and as you can see on my lips, it looks really nice. So if you want to know how to create Galaxy lips tutorial, please stay tuned.
First, we're lining my lips with my black lip liner.